Hi you guys, how's everyone doing? The Doodler here, welcoming you back. In today's video, I am stepping away from my desk and into my kitchen because I am going to be doodling my refrigerator. This is a project that I started probably about May, I would say. I worked on it a little bit here and there, have not really worked on it that much this summer. So I thought it would be a good video for me to sit down and doodle my refrigerator. Just because of the size and just kind of the uncertainty of what I'm going to put, and the fact that it's not just a piece of paper that I can throw away if it doesn't work. It is my refrigerator. I went ahead and did time lapse. That way I could use as much time as I wanted to think. So there is not really a whole lot of me talking. I just start with an introduction of what I've already done thus far. So without any further ado, I will get on over to my kitchen where we will be doodling a refrigerator today. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead real quick and show you what I have already done with my refrigerator. So I'm going to start here with kind of like the big obvious. Pull to open, push to close, eat, repeat. You know, in case you forget, sometimes you might forget what to do when it comes to opening and closing your refrigerator and why you're there. This way, you'll never forget. I also have an avocado, an apple, cherry. So as you see, there is desserts and fruits, a little wine glass. I am going to keep the front of the refrigerator food oriented, and the side of the refrigerators are going to be more of like random doodles. And then I am not sure what I'm going to do with the top part yet, but those will be separate videos. So what I'm going to do is kind of continue down with the larger items. I'm probably only going to fit 4 more large items like this, and then within that space I'm going to put little items, like something would probably go right here just to kind of close in that space so I don't have to do quite as many of the nondescript doodles. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to time lapse. So I'm going to time lapse the actual doodle session. Well, that was fun. Thank you for coming with me to a new location, my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a different video. I do enjoy doodling my refrigerator. I cannot wait until it is done. It'll be very exciting. So this is going to be a multiple part series. I do not know when the next video will be. I'm not going to put it on any kind of time schedule, but there will be more. So until then, I thank all of you that have subscribed. If you're watching this and you are not subscribed, go ahead and click the icon of my face over here. And then on this side, there will be some video selections for you. And then also I will be suggesting a playlist that I think you might enjoy. So until next time, thank you again for all your support and keep doing whatever it is that makes you happy.